So to load the system back up, notice I pull the ripcord straight, fold the side flaps underneath. We're going to open up the storage area and we're going to slide this baby right in there. Done. Okay. Now to seal it, fairly simple. Secure the ripcord. Bring the tab underneath. This is the pull cord. Now you'll notice I've got a little tape on here. The factory, if it comes off, it's not a problem. You just add a little Scotch tape to it and you're all set. Okay. And this is an alternate feed, so you're going from the back and to the front. Back, front, all the way down to the end. Make sure everything is pulled out. Really simple. Again, all the way in until it's nicey nice. If the cord isn't enough, you just make an adjustment. It's not a problem. Slide it all in. Push it in. There we go. The side is good to go. Now the other side. Now, interesting thing happened here. Okay, our ripcord lost its little cable. It's not a problem. Just reinsert it. Again, this thing's going to come flying out under adrenaline. The only purpose this has is just to hold this closure shut. That's it. It has nothing to do with the function. It has nothing to do with the ability to protect you. It just has everything to do with just holding this little area closed. And again, this little guy's giving me trouble. So you see this frayed end here? Okay, this is going to be a pain in the butt putting it back in. So this, all you need is a little bit of Scotch tape. Just wrap it around the end. That's it, and it goes in. Really simple, nothing too complicated. This is Damien Ross from the self-defense company with the Bodyguard Switchblade. Thanks for stopping by, and as you can see, all it takes is just a second.